Okay, so here we have some data that's been input, names and addresses. The problem is the city details and the company details have been input all as uppercase rather than a mix of upper and lowercase, as for example the names and the addresses. So what we need to do is use a function to actually change this rather than having to retype it all. And the function we're using is the proper function. So I'm going to select a cell in an adjacent column. I'm going to type in the name of the function, which is proper. As it's a function, we start with an equal sign. We then type in the function name, which is proper, P-R-O-P-E-R. Then, as with all functions, it needs an open bracket. And it then wants to know what text we want to change to proper case. And that text can be a cell reference. So I'm going to select cell G2, close the brackets, and then hit enter to accept it. And as you can see, it's changed from pure uppercase into a mix. I'm going to click back on that cell and move my mouse pointer to the bottom right hand corner and double click. That fills it all the way down. What I'm then going to do is do Control C to copy that. I'm going to select cell G2 where I want it to go, but rather than just hitting paste, I'm going to select the down arrow underneath paste, and I'm going to tell it to paste values. That just puts the result of this calculation in there, not the actual calculation itself. What I can then do is go back into this cell here, and at the moment it's looking at G2. I now want to refer it to D2, so I just select on the formula bar here, highlight over the letter G, replace it with the letter D, and then use the tick up here to accept that. And then I'm going to again go back to H2, mouse pointer to the bottom right hand corner, double click, it overwrites what was in there and replaces it with our new text. Again, copy, select D2, again paste values. I can then delete the data that's in column H. We then may, for example, want to look at this one, Garten on the Wold, and it may be we want a lowercase o and a lowercase t depending on how it needs. We might have to edit the odd entry, but broadly speaking, it's all sorted.